Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and we've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Our Discord community continues to grow, now at 3,655 members. If you haven't yet joined, now is the perfect time to become part of a thriving group that's at the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Also, last week for social media, I shared a new IPFS 101 video about the importance of storing NFT metadata on IPFS. This video is essential for anyone interested in how blockchain can secure the authenticity and longevity of digital assets, ensuring how they're preserved safely and permanently. This week, I am spotlighting the Aura Blockchain Consortium. Founded in April 2021 by global leaders in the luxury goods industry, the consortium fosters adoption of blockchain to create transparency, traceability, and enhanced utility for luxury brand consumers. Aura is a nonprofit association dedicated to making blockchain technology accessible and beneficial across the luxury sector. They aim to transform the luxury experience, making every phase, from purchase to resale to recycling, more transparent and trustworthy. In product-related news, Pinata analytics are almost here. If you missed the announcement last week, we're gearing up to launch a powerful new tool that provides detailed insights into how your content is accessed and used. This tool is designed to help developers fine-tune their applications, enhancing user engagement and driving business growth. I am so eager to see how Pinata Analytics can transform your insights. Let me know what other product updates you would like to see from Pinata down in the comments below. Diving deep into tech tips, let's talk about Farcaster Auth. We're introducing two new ways to make user authentication smoother within the Farcaster ecosystem. Traditionally, using the sign-in with Workcast flow meant handling a lot of complex coding, including managing the signer, the private key needed for writing to Farcaster hubs. To simplify this, we've developed a managed Farcaster Auth, where Pinata takes care of the intricate details, allowing developers to focus more on creating and less on coding authentication processes. We're also launching sponsored Farcaster Auth to further aid developers in integrating into the Farcaster network. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more insights and videos. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone.